Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about a new tool that I developed on my website, which is freemediatools.com. So basically this is a Google AdSense online tool. So it has all the Google AdSense ads available inside so that you can also earn money also from this tool. So the tool name is COVID-19 Global Tracker. So as you see, coronavirus is there, so many people are searching on Google the cases, active cases. So you can use my free tool here. So I have also provided the full source code as well, and the link in the video description. You can just find out. I have given the link in the video description. So this is the full address of this COVID-19 tracker here, followed by domain name, and you can see this Google AdSense ad appearing at the top of the page here. So someone clicks on this ad, I will earn money there. So this is the overall application you will see. So it has confirmed recovered deaths cases here. So you can see the graph is also there. So all the countries in the world, you can see if you scroll down here. So all the country data is available, 193 countries. So you can sort the data as well. So if you just want to search for a particular country, let's suppose I search for India. So the real-time sorting is there. So it will tell you the confirmed recovered deaths and mortality rate 1.2. And also you can just click a certain country and it will show its graph. So you can see in according to the date as well. So a nice graph is also there, and you can also see the ads appearing here. So this domain is approved by Google AdSense. So this is a tool that I developed that I wanted to share. So you can do this for any country. Let's suppose you search for Pakistan, and let's suppose you search for New Zealand. So real-time tracking is there. So global tracker is there. So you can reset all the filters, and also you can view any country of your choice. You can compare it. You can also select multiple countries, and now you will see the graph as well, how they panned out. You can also do it logarithmic scale as well. You can reset the filter, and let's suppose search for another country like this. So this is a very handy online tool for coronavirus cases here. If you want to search for COVID-19 cases, you can just use this online tool. So it uses some API, which is University API, and it shows the global data by default. And it last updated, you will see this is the date here, June 40. So today is June 15. So the data is correct. It is updated every 10 minutes. So you need not have to worry. So you can use this tool here, very handy tool. And now let me show you all the source code regarding this. I have also given the link in the video description. Two links are given. First is the demo link, and the second link is my blog post link. So this is a blog post that I written here. So if you just go to it, click view post section here, you will be redirected to my blog website. So I have given the link in the video description. Two links are given. First is a demo link of the tool, and the second one is a blog post link. So a simple single index.html file is there. So just create an index.html file, and this is all the source code. So you can just copy it. So this is all the source code which is there. So what you can do is that you can have any text editor of your choice. So create an index.html file, and like this that I am doing here, you can copy all this code here. You can also use Control C if you are in a laptop here. Control C, and now you can make a new file here, and simply you can paste the code. And if I open this with live server, so you will see this is the tool which is ready here. So you can deploy it on your own website also. This is a very handy tool. So Corona Global Tracker. So you can deploy it on your own website. Just copy paste all the source code. The link will be there inside video description. And you can also use my free online tool. I have given the link in the video description. So just check it out. and you can all earn money as well by putting Google AdSense ads as well. So this is a very good online tool. So I put Google AdSense ads here, so that is why you are seeing the ads appearing here. One here, second one here. So please check out this free online tool. The link will be there inside video description. And thanks very much for watching this video.